TrueCAD. TrueCAD is an Indian developed software. TrueCAD is a 2D drafting and 3D modeling software. It is a native DWG and DXF software to create and edit drawings. This is our start page where you can have new drawing, open files, send feedback, tip of the day, and the recent documents which you have opened. And the TrueCAD highlights as perpetual license, global validity, import and export PDF options, self-license transfer, free technical support, and the licenses which is available for the TrueCAD was network license, live license, USB dongle license available, and it supports all types of DWG and DXF file formats till 2021. It is very easy, fast, and complete software with very low price, and we also have the instant license delivery. The tutorial videos also available for the software. Open files. Here you can open any of the files from your PC directly with the different file formats. New drawing. Click on new drawing and click on next to use a template drawing or to create an entirely new drawing, and click on finish. This is our interface. The command bar, the status bar, the tool palettes, and the right click options. We have two interfaces, ribbon and classic. By using this feature, you can switch the workspace to ribbon and classic. The file formats which we support for the opening the files are .dwg, .dxf, .dxb, DWF, DWT, DGN, DGNlib, RDL, CEL, DJE, etc. The file formats which we support for the saving the files are DWG, DXF, and DWT. Where in DXF, two file formats, ASCII and binary. The ASCII is to save the file and open the file in any other software to work, while for the binary, you can only open the file in any other software but not able to work and for only read-only purpose. The file formats support for the import are DGN, DXF, IGS, and STEP. The file formats support for the export are PDF, BMP, DZN, DWF, DXF, WMF, IGS, and STEP. The 2D drafting commands are almost similar to AutoCAD, as you can see on the interface. We have different type of circles like circle center radius, center diameter, circle 3 points, 2 points, and have different types of arcs available like 3-point arc, arc center start, and etc. We have dynamic screen input which provides a command interface near the cursor in the drawing area. Hatch command. Hatch command is used to fill the enclosed areas or specified entities with a hatch pattern. You can select either from icon or press H on the command bar. In the hatch dialog box, we have different type of patterns like ANSI, ISO, other predefined, etc. After modifying all the values, required values like color, angle and scale, you can create a hatch either by picking the internal points or by selecting the entities. After picking the internal point, check the preview and click OK. Hatching adds a meaning to the drawing and it also helps to differentiate the materials and areas. Print. This is our print dialog box where you can add page setup for the printer by providing a name and clicking on OK. Select the printer you want and you can modify the printer properties like paper size, resolution, orientation, etc. with the default page setup by using these properties. These are the inbuilt print styles which are available in our software and you can add your own print styles by clicking on New. Create a new print style by snatch or by using an existing print style table and click on Next. Browse the print styles you want and click on Open to add the print style to the software. Select the print area and click on Preview to check and then click on Print. Draw 3D. Here we have provided 3D meshes in the facet model meshes. You can draw the box, wedge, pyramid, cone, cylinder, sphere, torus, etc. in the meshes as well as the facet models. You can also perform the operations like union, subtract, intersect, revolve, extrude, 3D convert for the facet model meshes. Insert menu. Define attributes. By using this, you can create an attribute of different styles with the different heights and click on OK. Now create the block and enter the name of the block and click on OK. Now select the entities and press enter. Then the block with the specified name was created. Insert block. You can insert the block by block name or from the file and click on insert. Now specify the insertion point, the rotation angle for the block, the scale factor and the attribute value and click enter. You can also insert the block from the file. Browse the file you want, click on open and click on insert. Now specify the insertion point, scale factor and the rotation angle for the block. Now the block from the file was created. Click on block editor and select the block you want to edit and click on OK. By using this feature, you can perform the operations of editing the block. After modifying the block, save it and close the block editor. XRF Manager. Click on XRF Manager and the dialog boxes appear. Click on Attach, select the file and click on Open. Now in the dialog box, select the reference type either as an attachment or an overlay and click OK. Then specify the insertion point, X, Y scale factor and the rotation angle. Now you can see the attached XREF on the interface. Open XREF. Click on Open XREF and select the XREF to open. Then the following XREF can be edited in place by using the edit reference in place. Attach image. By using this feature, you can attach the image on the interface. Select the image you want and click on Open. Now you can select the settings like insertion point, click on OK. Specify the insertion point and the scale to insert the image. And in the image manager, you can modify the instances of an image like brightness, contrast, aspect ratio. After modifying all the values, click on Apply and click OK. Now you can see the following image with the modified settings. OLE. Click on Object and you can create a new file, browse the file you want. And click on Open. If you want to enable that file as a link, you can enable this feature or else just click on OK. Now the following CSV file is inserted into the drawing. And if you want to insert the CSV file as a link, browse the file you want. Enable the link feature and click on OK. Whenever you insert the object as a link in the software, if you double click on that object, it will lead directly to the CSV file. And if you do the modifications in this CSV file, like after doing the modifications, click on Save. Now, the following changes will be displayed in the interface directly. Annotate menu. Textile Manager. The Textile Manager dialog box, it will provide the current style name details, and if you want to create a new textile, click on New and type the style name and click on OK. Now the following textile will be created, and if you want to rename the textile, click on Rename, and if you want to delete, click on Delete. Here you can adjust the settings like the fixed height, width, oblique angle, and the text font styles, language, etc. And after modifying all the values, click on Apply and click OK. Dimension Styles Manager. Here you can add your own dimensions or you can modify the dimension styles which is present. Click on modify and here you can change the color, line type, line weight, the baseline spacing, etc. of a lines. And in symbols and arrows, we have like different symbols for the starting arrowhead and the leader arrowhead, the tick marks, etc. You can change the settings of the text like style, color, background, the text height, the placement of the text or in the dimension, etc. by using this feature. Fit. The primary units. Here you can change the units of the dimensions like decimal, engineering, architectural, fractional, etc. with a specific round off and the decimal separator and the precision factor. And after modifying all the values, click on OK. View menu. Here we have the geometrical views like top, right side, aerial right front, aerial left front, etc. And we also have the visual styles like 3D wireframe, 2D wireframe, conceptual, realistic, etc. Publish. By using this feature, you can publish the following drawings to PDF, DWF, and DWFX. After selecting the required format, you can change the settings of the publish by using these publish options. Along with the 2D PDF, you also have the 3D PDF publish option. After modifying all the settings, click on publish. By using the page setup manager, you can add or modify the page for the default printer. Tools menu. Options. By using the options, you can change the settings like to enable the autosave feature, to enter the frequency of autosave in minutes, and it also helps to type the file extension for autosaved files. Also set the default file format of saving the file in Save As dialog box. You can also specify the locations for various file types such as those used for drawings, fonts, and menus in the option dialog box on the Paths files or tab. In the display, you can change the options for right-click actions, the cursor settings, and also you can set the language of the software by using Set Language option. After modifying all the values, click on OK. Drawing settings. By using this feature, you can change the settings of the following like the units for the angular and linear, the coordinate input, display, the entity creation, entity modification, and 3D settings can be done by using this drawing settings dialog box. TrueCAD Explorer. This feature helps us to provide the drawing in a brief way with the different categories like layers, layer states, line types, text styles, dimension styles, etc. If you want to do the modifications of any one of these types, simply double click on that particular type, then it displays the dialog box where you can do the modifications directly over there. For example, if you want to change the color and the line type of a particular layer, simply double click on the layers, and in the layer dialog box you can change the color, the line type of a different layers required. Help menu. In help menu, we have the TrueCAD user guide which provides the information about all the commands which is present in the software in a PDF file format around 800 pages with detailed information about all the commands for easy understanding. When you click on the TrueCAD on the web, it leads to our website where you can find the features and the complete information about our software, and we also provide the video tutorials along with the support system. Check for updates. By using this feature, you can download the latest update of our software.